Oh, and since Toop's here, I can ask her about that tweet about Chicken Jaguar is the only one that includes me in Apollo Friday besides me, Glenn Beck, and the porn star. I saved that tweet. I love that. We've got some interesting stuff coming up. 40 minutes past the top of the hour. I don't know. The only basketball I keep track of is the Chicago Bulls. They're not that great this season.
I was going to say, why?
I used to watch old Bulls games on WGN. I love it.
Like old ones?
Old Bulls games, man. Jordan and all of them just kicking it on a Saturday night watching the Bulls. Now,
KU lost, so tune in to us.
Exactly. KU lost, so tune in to us here on the world-famous Jiggy Jaguar Show. This segment of the world-famous Jiggy Jaguar Show brought to you by our good friends at StreamMate. Yes, indeed. StreamMate.com. Webcam models, all that mess. Ross, we love it. They love us. Still to come, hour number 3, we've got Bella Bellini on the big broadcast. We also have Buckhead and F-Sid in the studio, Polar Domino, and they brought Tube with them. So we will chat with all of them. Hopefully we can have Toop on the air, too. I think that would be nice. Oh, and Toop brought a flip.
Toop's tweeting, so she won't.
Toop's tweeting, so
we'll
won't.
just keep the shot on her. And we'll call it the Toop Tweet Show.
Yeah. Hey. What it do? In the building.
That is.
What's up? What's going on?
Hold on a sec.
What?
I just had a. That's it.
Epiphany?
Here we go. Here's our. Okay, I was talking earlier, and I'll do this now since Domino and Polar are here. If Glenn Beck can have his own television channel, I want my own television channel, and I've already got a channel lineup. We're gonna and we're gonna do based upon what Ross just said. We're gonna do. It's gonna be a show where it's a constant shot of Toop while she's tweeting, and it's called the Toop Tweet Show. The second show.
Tweaking with Toop.
Tweaking with Toop.
Tweaking and tweeting
She can
with
chat
Toop.
with a bunch of meth addicts. It would be great. We could. I don't know what they talk about, but
Look here, I don't allow my visage to be recorded or publicly presented in any manner.
So
Ever.
you want the mic so you can talk to him? Or
okay.
you don't want to
hold
bite
on.
off? Okay.
Hold on, we got more shows. My buddy Shatner is gonna have like an actor inside the actor studio show, and it's gonna be called Chat with the Shat. Then we're going to be doing. There's a guy here in town named Tony Dong who owns a place called Martinelli's.
We're going to talk about him in the third hour. Oh.
Tony Dong's a huge MMA fan, so it's going to be called Getting It On with Tony Ding Dong. It's going to be him just chatting about mixed martial arts. Then we have another show called Bros versus Hoes, where African-American gentlemen beat the hell out of streetwalkers. It's a takeoff of Pros versus Joes for Spike TV. It's called Bros versus Hoes. I don't know. It's odd. And then we have the flagship show of my network.
You got a caller.
Yeah, I think I want to start something up.
Oh.
Jiggy Jaguar, your show. You're live on the air. Do you have a mixtape?
Press start.
I think it's one of those text to landline
Enter your
messages.
password, or if you've entered the wrong mailbox number,
Hold on.
star.
The password is 142.
The password is clitoris. Remember that?
Password. Please re-enter your password
Hold
now.
on.
If you have
Hold on a
entered
sec. The
the
password
mailbox
is
number and would like to
nipple.
exit the system, please press stop.
NIPPLE.
I'm sorry, that is not the correct password.
That's wrong.
Okay. The flagship show is going to be Little Johnny Kim from the Muse Ballroom and his Korean accent sitting around chatting with rappers, and it's called Getting It In with Johnny Kim.
With his first and probably only guest, E40. No,
He is a
will be
huge
in
E40 fan.
He will be in hog heaven.
He got a hold of me and he's like, oh, do you have any updates on the E40? I gotta do E40 here at the Muse.
And he keeps asking
He's all about
me.
E40. This little Korean guy is a huge E40 fan. So we're gonna see if we can make it happen.
chop. No, I'm not even gonna say.
What?
What do you want to do, Polar?
Nothing. I'm we ain't even got going yet. I'm good. I had jokes, but it's too early.
Do you need some Super Dave?
I'm good.
Okay. Because I remember the last time we had Wichita Rappers here and we gave him the Super Dave, it was just on.
I'm not even sure what that means.
Tell them what's in the Super Dave, Ross.
The Super Dave, that is basically equal amounts of Bacardi 151, Red Bull, and orange juice.
Well, that doesn't sound bad.
Super Dave? I mean,
it goes down.
well, you got one of those?
We're talking about liquor?
Hold on now.
Yeah, wait. Now we're talking about
Liquor.
Y'all might need one of those. Yes.
And then when Squirrel Gang,
I
High
mean-
Point and them, Weasel, they all make it, and they make it in like this vat.
like jungle juice.
Yeah. They bring in gallons of vodka, or no, of
Red
Bacardi.
Bull and Bacardi, and then Super Dave does it in shots. And so you take a shot, and then what is it? It goes all the way down.
And then it hits your stomach, and you go 3, 2, 1,
Super! I don't know.
and
It's just kind
Hey.
of an odd thing that we've worked out here.
Man.
Domino and Polar in studio. They just really don't know what's going on.
you got to try it.
Well, I mean, it's
I mean, I've
it's
even
liquor. I'm gay.
popularized it in
I was even wondering. I'm fucking reading my Twitter. What are y'all talking about? I'm looking at fucking Rick Ross just got arrested for 1 gram of weed. How gay is that? That's fucking gay.
Rick Ross!
I'm going down.
1 gram of weed? 1 gram of weed, huh?
Well,
They were probably after him for other
1 gram of weed? Are you fucking kidding me? Are you serious?
Maybe he had
a gram of weed?
maybe he had grass growing in his
A gram of weed.
This
They're
is the
gonna
trouble,
arrest
man.
this man
and that
over.
means
Come on, man.
that means zero money.
Enough
for the,
is enough.
for
Yeah.
the arresting
Look,
police department.
Look, you better off just saying, "Hey, you fat motherfucker, give me some money," and he might just do it. But you want to arrest him and inconvenience him just to get a couple dollars out of him? He might just throw you $500. Be like, "Hey, pull him over." Be like, "Hey, fat ass, give me $500." He might
And
just give it to you.
in the last
Fuck
couple,
it, don't arrest a man for a gram.
and in the last couple years, Colorado
That's
has
ridiculous, man.
legalized medical marijuana. They don't have any problems.
So as-
the cops go out and
Look.
they arrest rapists, child molesters, and
And
murderers
real criminals.
instead of harassing people for having a gram.
real
on them.
criminals.
Right.
And it's wiped out the whole mafia connection with
Yes.
marijuana, and
Yes.
and it's brought them oodles of unexpected cash. So
Weed is good.
and it's
Weed is
Right.
it's eliminated the
Drugs are bad.
the whole dialogue on
Weed is good.
marijuana and people being freaked about it.
Yeah, it's stupid. Hey, you know what I found out?
It's stupid. We're moving on. Go
No,
ahead.
oh yeah, we can move on. I was just gonna say, I found out. You said it was legal in Colorado. I found out it's legal here in Kansas too. Just they haven't. The city officials and everything, they just haven't figured that out yet. Once they do, everybody else will know.
Well, the state of Kansas will let you buy for $100 per stamp a marijuana stamp. So basically,
Maybe Eric
what
at the
that
grind
means,
should have invested
And
in
the
it.
stamp is
when you
for?
get busted
Oh, wait.
for possession or selling or whatever,
You get no tax stamp. You don't
they
get that
they don't
charge.
charge you for not having a tax stamp.
You're still going to jail. That doesn't
Yeah, that's
shit to me.
stupid.
Fuck
You-
you.
I mean, with a little- with a decent lawyer, you
I'm
can
just
get
going
that
to jail
drop
for this
off.
weed.
Anyway, moving on.
Yeah, move on.
We can talk about weed all
Oh,
day.
damn.
Matter of fact,
Have you looked at the back of a $10 bill?
No.
Have you looked at the back of a $10 bill? Oh, weed. Man, there's some shit going on, man. Red Tito. Man, that's one of my favorite movies right there.
Of course, any discussion of weed and people being intoxicated and everything, I always have to go to my favorite assemblyman in Atlanta, Georgia, when he says the phrase,
Yeah, what's wrong with the beer we got? I mean, the beer we got drank pretty good, don't it? I ain't never heard nobody complain about the beer we have. It drank pretty good.
what are some of the names of other beers? Budweiser? Miller? Coors?
Germany.
Germany? My favorite line is
Yeah, what's wrong with
is
the
in
beer
this
we
is
got?
on right here. Where they go?
Yeah, what kind of foundation is that? These are...
Oh, do we have the speaker up? No, we don't have the
What kind of
speaker up.
foundation is that? These are young people from I would use the term from Germany that came in with Mercedes. From Germany?
Of course, for our studio audience, it might.
Yeah, what's wrong with the beer we got?
That's right. That's my favorite line.
I mean, the beer we got drank pretty good, don't it? I ain't never heard nobody complain about the beer we have. It drank pretty good. Budweiser.
Budweiser.
What's the name of some of them other beers?
What are some of the names of the other beers?
Miller.
Miller. Okay. Cool. Now, Bella Bellini in the next hour. Also, we were scheduled to talk to Da Sick and a Twisted, but they are not here once again for a
Maybe
third
they got
week in a
snowed
row.
out.
They got snowed out.
The Sick and the Twisted.
But we have Domino and we have Polar in the studio, and they brought Miss Toopness from ICT Hip Hop.
Yeah. We actually got a mixtape out right now.
For something.
It's not, and these are not drunken black guys. They have a mixtape and they're not drunks.
Yeah, I mean,
But I'm white,
Well, I know,
so I'm
but I
sometimes a
mean,
drunken white guy. But
yeah,
I'm sometimes
a
drunk,
drunken
too.
white guy. That's just a dime a dozen on this show.
True.
Ross.
but yeah, we got the Lions, Tiger, Domino, and Polar mixtape. You can download that, free at buckheadandupsaid.com. We got a little visual aid.
Little visual aid.
He's slow over there, huh?
What other artists are covered by Buckhead Enough Said?
Managed
We got
Law.
Managed Law.
Who I can't-
One of your biggest ones.
Damn it! I can't make fun of him being late anymore. But
What do we got?
That's the
Because of the
Matter of fact,
because of the fact
Question.
that's just what we dropped that on the 11th.
right here.
Yep. The other artists we got with Buckhead and Upset.
Tigers,
We got Managed Law.
and Domino and Polar.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Where's the Oh My?
Right at the bottom.
Right at the
Oh,
bottom.
there it is.
Hey, look. You didn't think it was on there, huh?
All right.
Oh my, the mixtape.
All right.
This
He
product
said it
was
is complete.
this product was tested on animals,
And they loved it.
Yeah.
I actually personally did all the testing
Jiggy
myself.
Jaguar, like Jiggy Jaguar. He's an animal.
That's right.
And he
Love it.
loves
We
it.
love it.
Bella Bellini's online.
Bella Bellini
is online.
Is online. Well,
So-
she's not calling us till
Oh, but she's going to be
for
calling
10
us.
minutes. She's
Okay.
gonna call us.
Some of the artists, the other artists on Buckhead, real quick, is Managed Law.
Be cautious.
Be Cautious.
Dub Diesel.
Dub Diesel 1-0. We also have a couple other artists that are in the workings, but they're not formally out yet. But
Wait a second.
Wait a second for
Track
what?
number 8, Domino and T-Pain. Is that the real T-Pain?
that's the real
No.
T-Pain.
Or is it just some guy named
Nah,
T-Pain?
man, that's the real
Teddy
T-Pain.
Pain.
Holy
Man, you can
crap.
go on the
Teddy
website
Pain.
right now.
So if you're on the website, you can just pull it up. You can pull it up and download it if you want to.
That's real T-Pain.
Actually,
Real T-Pain.
real TV.
Yeah, the
Hey,
T-Pain.
what? Ross, we have 2 Wichita rappers here. We also have the head of ICTHipHop.com, so we can find out exactly what the hell's going on with your Lyrical Miracle video.
I have no idea what that even means.
Lyrical Miracle is this rapper.
What's that? Lyrical Miracle. You know, that's the dude with all the fake
Whoa.
Oh, lyric. I don't know who that is.
You don't know who Lyrical Miracle is? Okay.
No, I was thinking about this other dude I know. The other dude that came out of the studio. What's his name? Michael Johnson.
Well, we'll have to ask y'all.
No, I don't know who Lyrical Miracle is.
Because there's a guy that named Lyrical Miracle.
From
where?
Wichita? From the city?
Supposedly from Wichita.
Oh, okay.
I don't know.
No, I don't know him. I thought you were talking about Michael Johnson. This dude was in the studio with Michael Johnson, but he calls himself something else, Lyrical something else. So I was my bad.
Because the Lyrical Miracle video that Ross did with this local guy, I'm assuming local guy named Lyrical Miracle,
Right.
is getting thousands of hits. And then we find out that another Lyrical Miracle has a song on the soundtrack to that new Martin Lawrence movie.
Oh.
And so everyone's confusing the two.
Well, that's
And
awesome.
they go to YouTube and they're
Hey,
searching.
why didn't I think of that?
That's like an
I'm about to
awesome-
change my name to
The game.
Who is the game?
The game.
I want somebody I can maybe pull off a
You
little
don't want
bit
to
better.
change your name to the game because
I'm gonna grow a
Think
beard.
about all the
I'm gonna
fucking music
grow a
with
beard.
it.
I'm gonna grow a beard and call myself Rick Ross. No, I don't plan on being
Look,
that.
listen.
No,
bad.
because then you'll get arrested for a gram of
A gram, yeah, no Rick Ross, no Rick Ross. Man, I'm gonna do somebody. I'm gonna keep it home. I'm gonna change my name to I'm gonna put a little hometown. I'm gonna do like Too Short. but I'm gonna put the number 2 and then short.
Well, yeah,
Right.
because when we
Then I can
bring,
get some hits. You know,
I'm-
shout out
I'm-
Short Dog.
I'm working on bringing Too Short to
Bitch!
Kansas.
Yeah.
So you can't be too short because then people are gonna be like, "There's too shorts."
I'll be I'll
no,
be too
no.
short.
What's going on, man?
But that'll just be half my name, and I'll just be like, I'll be too short, tall. But I'll just call myself.
Then you'll
Too
get
short.
Ed. Then you'll get Ed Too Tall Jones.
But then
former
listen,
football
think
players.
about all the views we'll get.
I just want to get those views.
That's right.
That's what we're
I
going
want
tell you
for.
those
what.
views.
I got tired of my demographics being messed up. Mostly what we had was 45 to 50-year-old men who are pervs who watch my
You said
channel.
pervs.
Pervs.
That's right, they got money.
That's cool.
But now it's just 13 to 17-year-old girls looking at Lyrical Miracle,
Chris Henson.
and I don't know, rubbing their pussies or something because there's some guy who
Chris
did a
Hansen.
bad
Chris
soundtrack.
Hansen. Chris Hansen. That was it.
I don't want nothing to do with no 13 to 17-year-old girls.
Uh-oh.
Yo.
Someone's phone just
Yeah,
went
I'm Jake.
off.
That was me.
And I believe we just received an email from the Raw General Man. Oh, wrong.
I've got Toop's new TV show,
Okay.
The New Soup with Toop,
And cheese.
tweaking and tweeting.
That could fit on a business card.
You sound like a crackhead, and I don't do
Yeah.
Crackhead, enough said. No, that
No.
doesn't work. No.
That would be an offspring of the label if they wanted to start it in like Los Angeles. But
And then we could sue them. We could
and
say
then,
it.
and
You
then,
mean like,
and
if
then,
you want
and
to
then
start
they
it?
could-
Registered service mark.
That's right. Registered service mark. You guys need to start doing that, doing the registered service mark.
Didn't
Now-
you guys graduate from the DARE program? We don't
Yes.
have, like, crackheads like
Yes.
that.
I graduated from the DARE program.
We're just
but-
here to help you.
What?
All
Now-
the DARE program
friends.
ever did was show kids how to
Good
buy
friends.
drugs.
Exactly. That's what they did in
Right.
McPherson.
Come on.
Well, that's what that whole campaign was for. Well, it succeeded. I mean, shit.
Bingo.
Thing.
So they can continue
I hated
their war
that
on
shit.
drugs and bust people for
Oh,
a
basically.
gram.
Yeah.
For a gram, 1 gram.
One
You
gram.
make more money and more money, and if you can't beat them,
We'll beat you. Yeah.
I'm not gonna finish that.
Spoken like a real cop.
Well, we are across the street.
Well, they might be listening.
They're not watching this, are you? Hey, if you are, hey.
Hey, we love the police.
Hey, law enforcement.
Not really.
Law enforcement. Good job. Way to go.
Thanks for getting.
1 gram.
You're
You guys are good.
gonna have egg on your
That-
face if you lose the case against Eric.
That's ridiculous.
Exactly.
You're going to have a lot of
I
egg
hope he
on
gets
your
an
face.
attorney. I hope he owns this town. I just ought to just name it Ericville.
I wouldn't.
Or just call it the Grind Salina.
Ground
when it's all over with, he is
We'll
gonna,
see. We'll see what
F you
happens.
coppers.
We'll see what happens, just and see if chemicals that are not controlled chemicals, you can bust people for.
that whole railroad system that they've done to him over there. I just,
We'll see.
ugh.
It's got to shake out.
It's
We will see. But we hope to have Eric on this show when it's all done and over with.
Yes.
Maybe even 20 years from now when he gets out of prison.
No.
Okay.
It's going down. Lions, Tigers, Domino, and Polar. The mixtape.
The
oh
mixtape.
my.
Oh my.
Digital
my.
download edition. Buckhead. Which I'll tell you, you guys, if you guys could take this Buckhead logo, you guys could get into MMA sponsorship. Because that's a freaking scary looking logo. Put that on the back of somebody.
Yeah, that's our official logo. That's
That would
official.
be great. You guys could do MMA. You could get an MMA Buckhead team together. You guys thought about doing that?
Yeah, but
Finding
yeah.
a couple
I
MMA
actually
guys
got a
and
couple
just
buddies that do.
You'd
do that
probably
shit.
be sued sooner or later by Spike TV if you made any money on it. But
Well, yeah.
they sue every. They're like Disney and George Lucas. I mean, when it comes
Sue
to
everybody.
what Octagon, I heard something about Octagon. We trademarked that name.
No, we'd fight. We'd fight in like a hexagon, but like a full hexagon.
Yeah.
Not just a 1D. We'd fight in like a 3D hexagon with weapons on the ceiling.
Moving.
That that moves. It
Like-
rotates. So if you get thrown into it,
Like 2 men enter, 1 man leave.
It wrote.
pretty much Thunderdome. That's pretty much
Pretty
it.
much letting her know.
with spikes coming out of it. And,
Basically, well, exactly, rubber bands, all that shit.
whippings and shit.
No, you know, like
Midgets.
bungee cord, rubber bands, you know.
Midgets?
On
I
the
want the
out,
midgets.
on the outside.
Yeah,
On the
that's what I'm
outside.
talking
Oh,
about.
right. They would just, you'd trip over them if they were inside the cage.
Midgets are cool. They're entertaining.
They're entertaining.
Some
We're,
of them.
we're going to be talking to our porn star here in just a
Some of
minute,
them
and we're
are
also
creepy.
going to be playing some of the things off the mixtape.
God, we're to our third hour. We got so
When we
much
get
to
back,
do.
we
Good stuff.
will talk about our media exclusives. We'll also talk about Barb Squirrely. We're also talking about the mixtape. BuckheadEnoughSaid.com. Go there right now.
Yes.
If you don't go there, we will find you and we will force you to go there.
Yes.
And
With the QR code.
with a QR code.
We'll explain that.
Yes.
You need a QR code on
We
this.
got him.
We
We
actually-
got him.
Okay.
We got him. We can download him right after we get back. You can have him.
Okay. We'll be back after this on the world famous Street.
Oh.
Motherfuckers, crank it. You got G.